What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So while we had my live stream, the topic of it was that meme coins will be popular or mean more to the crypto market than things like Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I kind of wanted to explain that a little bit more. I did explain that within the video, but I felt like we needed maybe some visuals and just understanding where I'm coming from a little bit. Now, I'm not saying that, Bitcoin and Ethereum are not going to be the top coins and that you're going to see Dogecoin at the top spot or you're going to see Pepe at the top spot. No, I think the concept or the idea of what's behind these coins are they mean more to the crypto space as of right now than Bitcoin or Ethereum or ADA or all of those ones that are at the top, even though they have the most invested into them, right? And I'll explain kind of my logic and what I want to apply this to. But before we get started, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me there. Now, within the live stream, I kind of gave a little bit of an example that I want to expand on. So when you look at the stock market, there's safe investments, there's investments that are the more popular, more sexy positions to get involved in. And those positions that are the more popular ones are like tech stocks, right? Get into Tesla, get into Amazon, get into Meta. All of those ones that are just they're so popular, right? People get into those, they get a some sort of gain from, and then they put it into some of these more boring positions, ones like maybe just ETFs, or they're putting it into some index funds. They're putting it into some different mutual funds that they found, some things that are slow movers, or ones that give you a dividend or something like that, right? The ones that aren't really that popular, right? They're popular for people that are holding a lot of positions in or holding a lot of their money in so that it can slowly grow over time, but it's not something that people would like to make a quick return from, see some popularity and see it grow at a massive rate and go from $1,000 to $1 million or have that opportunity to do so. So that's what you have there. And I look at crypto the same way, right? You have those positions that are like the top 100 positions, but within those top 100 positions, you have ones that got there by not the normal way of getting there, right? Ones that got to that position by just being popular, just being there. It's kind of like, maybe shoes. They're not the most comfortable, they're not the most stylish, but because somebody wore them, they made them popular and they make a lot of money. So I'm trying to apply it in different ways here. So that's the reason why I say that meme coins will be more popular, or more important for the crypto market, is because the cryptocurrency market right now is all about popularity. If you don't have popularity, you have nothing. There are things out there with amazing use cases, and I feel like, they should have billions of dollars that are flowing through them, but they don't even have tens of millions of dollars that are flowing through them. And some don't even have, they don't have hundreds of millions of dollars when they should be up in those levels because the use case just makes sense to me, right? Um, but what they don't have is the popularity. They don't have people that are pushing it and going, "This is going to give you a thousand x return on this, or 100x return on this position." Or just seeing that a lot of people are investing into this play because it's a joke, right? So they don't have that popularity, but meme coins do. And when they're that important, people take a lot of the money that's made from some of these positions and they throw it into a lot of the bigger positions, right? They're taking the billions of dollars that are flowing through that and that are made from that and putting it into Ethereum, putting it into Bitcoin, putting it into ADA, putting it into Solana. And that's what we really want to see. So while you look at the overall market here, while you look at the top meme coins by market capitalization, this is $15.6 billion that goes through just meme coins. And at its height, as you saw it at its high, this was, you even look at Dogecoin, and that was close to $100 billion in market cap. Shiba Inu was at 40 or $50 billion. Pepe was at about $2 billion. So you see a lot of things that are going to the hundreds of millions or billions of dollars. You probably saw this at somewhere around $300 billion of the overall like $3 billion that was there, which is not the majority. You see majority that's going through the $1.2 trillion that was Bitcoin, and the $500 billion that was Ethereum, which accounts for like 1.7, 1.8, depending on where you're looking at, what time period you're looking at. $1 billion out of the three, which is the majority. And that's where you would say, oh, well, it's all about that. But you honestly look at the popularity, it brings more eyes, more money into it, to where now those people that are investing into Dogecoin, that are investing into Shiba Inu, that are investing into Pepe, or investing into Bone or Elon or whatever the next play or that they believe is, they're putting that money also, or putting some money also into Bitcoin and Ethereum for more of a safer route. So you have them invested in the crypto space, and now it's opening up their eyes to a lot of these bigger plays, which is giving the market a lot more strength. So meme coins, whether people like it or not, have a lot of importance in the overall market. Even though it doesn't account for the total, right, where you have 1.2 trillion right now, it still has a lot of importance because it brings eyeballs, it brings attentions, it brings new wallets, right? This is why these exchanges that you want to sign up for, or that you can trade cryptocurrency on, will pay you to sign up for their account. They're going to pay you because they know that you're going to spend money in different places. You get paid $25 to sign up for crypto.com. You end up putting $2,000, $3,000 into their account. Who wins in that deal? Crypto.com, right? Unless you end up making a hell of a lot of money and then pulling it all off of crypto.com. In the end, you won. But when we look at the standard person that's investing into crypto on these platforms, they're getting a lot out of it because you're spending extra money in other places, not just getting the $25, but you're putting it in other places and seeing the opportunity. Gambling will do the same thing for you, where they will pay you $100 in order, or match your initial bet or something. And if you find a way to make money, then great, you make money. But the point is that you're making those bets, and it's going to be more of an incentive for you to make more. Now, these are more educated bets, more educated guesses, educated ways to make money. But the point is that you're invested in the crypto market. You're there in the crypto market. They got you in that space. And now you're seeing all of these opportunities that are right before your eyes. Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA. You're seeing, Solana. You're seeing Cosmos. You're seeing a lot of other positions. And you're like, I just got to have it. So it's meme coins are very, very important for the crypto space. A lot of new investors will get into it. Not just old investors, new investors will be in that. When you have a new play that pops up that's really popular because of a use case or something, you're going to have a lot of seasoned investors that are investing into it. For meme coins, you're going to have new ones, people that haven't spent money in the crypto market at all. And now they're going to start spending money in the crypto market, which is healthy for crypto. It's what we need for crypto. Not necessarily the mindset of gambling and, going in and hoping for $1 million. Not really that mindset, but you do have people that will start to learn, maybe learn from their mistakes and start investing into things that, maybe have a stronger use case in the future. But honestly, meme coins are very, very important. And hopefully I made an argument here to show you why they are important. Not necessarily saying that you need to invest into it. Just understand why they're here. Um, some of them may not have the best intentions, and that you can look at, and that can be a whole nother topic, a whole nother video. But majority of them that you're seeing that are actually catching the traction, um, who knows really what their intentions are, but people have made money from it, and people also have transferred that wealth to other things that people feel like are or do have the best intentions, right? So anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. I'm going to get out of here, and I will catch you guys in the next one. See ya.